Hi, I'm David Tang, a product marketing manager at Microsoft Singapore, and my job is to make it easy for customers to buy and partners to sell Windows Server system. Today, I'm going to show you something in Small Business Server 2008 that will really help you simplify the management of client machines and easily join a Small Business Server domain.
We set about creating a usable and user-friendly way of joining new machines to the environment, as well as migrating their existing data. So let's run through that process. Here you see a Windows Vista client, and all I need to do is simply start the browser and type in connect into the browser and hit go. And what happens is this talks to the small business server and it prompts me with this page. So first up, I need to start the Connect Computer program. And this then asks me, do I want to set this computer up for myself or set this up for other users? So you have the ability to delegate this task to others or go about as a network administrator or partner and connect other machines to the environment. In this case, I'm going to do it for myself. I select which one I want and I hit next. What's happened now is the Connect Computer wizard goes about checking for the right level of service packs, the right level of componentry to ensure that it's compatible with the Small Business Server 2008 network. Now that I've done that, I hit next. Now I go through and add my username and password so it knows exactly who's joining this machine and what type of data they should be gathering and where they should be locating it. It then asks me to create a computer description, so in this case I want to call it the correct name and make sure there's a correct description. This comes in handy later on when you're trying to manage a larger network, so you can go through and figure out whose machine is which, as opposed to those crazy numbers and letter names that you get when the machine comes out default. You can also change the computer name for the machine here as well. Now, this is an interesting feature. What we do here is we actually can move the current user data and settings to their new profile. So effectively migrating that data. So I can choose who the user is I want to move. So this is my local username. And then I hit next. And that's all there is to it. From here on, Windows Small Business Server takes it from here to migrate your data. I hit next. And essentially what happens here is it creates any temporary data, it goes through and connects to the network or joins the domain, restarts the machine, manages the users across, then takes all the data from your machine and moves it into the new profile, logs back into the SBS network, and then completes configuring your computer. So all of this becomes an automated process for migrating from a workgroup scenario to a domain joined small business server scenario. So I'm going to go through here, I'm going to log off, and that's all we have to it.